Question 1. Nepal has recently taken a significant step by removing the Indian news channel DD News from air. What is the official currency of Nepal and who is the current Prime Minister of the country? Options are A. Tikka, Sher Bahadur Devba, B. Rupee, KP, Sharma Oli, C. Engaltram, Pushpa Kamal Dahal, D. Nepalese dollar, Ramchandra Podel. The correct answer is B. Rupee, KP, Sharma Oli. Question 2. The robot named Vigyan, developed by ISRO, has drawn attention recently. It is planned to be sent to which upcoming space mission and by which year? Options are A. Gaganyaan, 2024, B. Mangalyaan 2, 2026, C. Gaganyaan, 2027, D. Chandrayaan 4, 2028. The correct answer is C. Gaganyaan, 2027. Question 3. International Tiger Day is celebrated globally every year. In which year was Project Tiger launched in India to ensure the survival of the tiger population? Options are A. 1970, B. 1973, C. 1986, D. 1990. The correct answer is B. 1973. Question 4. The NISAR mission is a joint venture between NASA and ISRO. What is the full form of NISAR and what is its key purpose? Options are A. National Indian Satellite for Advanced Research, Education, B. NASA ISRO Satellite for Atmospheric Research, Climate Monitoring, C. NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, Earth Observation, D. New Indian Space and Air Research, Weather Forecasting. The correct answer is C. NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, Earth Observation. Question 5. Exercise Abhyas is a joint military exercise aimed at enhancing cooperation. This exercise is conducted between which two countries? Options are A. India and Nepal, B. India and Japan, C. India and USA, D. India and France. The correct answer is C. India and USA. Question 6. Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, uses which currency officially? Identify the correct currency in capital pair. Options are A. Thai Baht, Thailand, B. Cambodian Riel, Phnom Penh, C. Rupee, Dhaka, D. Dong, Hanoi. The correct answer is B. Cambodian Riel, Phnom Penh. Question 7. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, known as IUCN, is known for its Red List. In which year did IUCN officially declare the tiger as endangered? Options are A. 1980, B. 1973, C. 1986, D. 1992. The correct answer is C. 1986. Question 8. The CRPF has started using drone-mounted surveillance in remote regions. Which institute was involved in the development of this robotic support system? Options are A. IIT Kanpur, B. ISRO, C. DRDO, D. IISc. The correct answer is C. DRDO. Question 9. The Resistance Front has been declared as a terrorist organization in India. Under which act has this decision been taken by the Indian government? Options are A. Indian Penal Code, B. Anti-Terrorism Act, C. UAPA, D. NSA. The correct answer is C. UAPA. Question 10. On which date is India's National Space Day observed? What is the significance of this day in relation to Chandrayaan 3? Options are A. August 15, India's independence and space achievement, B. July 22, Chandrayaan 2 launch, C. August 23, Chandrayaan 3 lunar landing, D. October 4, first satellite launch. The correct answer is C. August 23, Chandrayaan 3 lunar landing.